Om Namah Shivaya. Blessings to all. Billions blessings for this year 24. Why I'm saying 24? 24 is 2 plus 4, 6. It's the Mahalakshmi year. If you write only 24, apostrophe 24, it's the year of prosperity and fulfillment. But if you write 2024, so it becomes 8. So one has to make one thing, have awakening. This year is the judgment year. This is the year of awakening. And this is the best year for enlightenment. It's like enrich your life with work and work and work and make the enormous effort and get what you want, what you think that you are. The whole universe is sparkling illumination of this Saturn. If you see only Saturn, one planet, has a ring of a light. He is Lord of evolving, enlightening. Along with that, he is the justice. He is the Santa. One is the good Santa. Good Santa will give you all the whatever you want with his magic trick. If you work, you will win. The Lord Saturn is the rewarding judge if you do good. But there is another strong Santa. If you are too much thinking wrong, doing wrong, whatever you have done wrong, there is always fruit of a wrong and fruit of a right. So in 2024, it's the Saturn year. It rotates very slow. You have to have patience, prayers, performance, perseverance, and everything you have to work with the ice on the head, means cool head, and speak with care and concern. You have to have sugar in your speaking. First thing of this year, you have to double check everything before submitting. This is year of law and enforcement. If you do everything with a hard work, there is a great reward. There is no shortcut in this year. This is the year of awakening. This year 2024, if you keep only 24, then it is the year of giving focus on doing things which is best and greatest for the humanity. There is no shortcut. Those who are lazy, those who are not doing work, it's a very hard year for them. Saturn gives a punishment like the good Santa and bad Santa. The good Santa gives you, so he is good, Saturn and Santa. And if you do something wrong, then this is the period of getting wrong result of a wrong, because Saturn is very strict principle. It's a prime judge. This year, because it is 24, it is a year of new creation. Along with that, you have to learn it's a 2024 8, so discipline. Your 8, you have to shift as a vision, present and future, and then it will become infinity. You work now, win then. 25 is a 9 number, whole and complete it will do. This is year of the spiritual excellence. God realization, self-realization, self-knowing, self-understanding. This is a wake-up call year for awakening and ascending. You have to allow excellence in your life. I am allowing excellence. I am allowing the working till I am satisfied. I am allowing perfection and positivity in my work. It's all about creating. Saturn people call with a Rahu and Ketu according to Vedic astrology. There are some climatic changes, man-made troubles are there. The troubles are to them who have manipulated, arrogant, nonsense, man kind of thing. 24 is a year of a clarity and cleansing. Whatever is not working, it will get cleansed. It's a year of a dynamic dimension. The whole universe, the whole cosmos is working for you. If you are working with intelligence, inspiration, this year need evolving and energy of working, effort, and enormous energy is the name, game, fame of this year. If you have number 1, like born on 1, 10, 19, 28, You are number one. So number one is a leadership quality. But now you cannot become a bossy leader because ego takes you to eternal goal. Saturn is the planet which is a judge. One has to speak very intelligently with care and concern. Recheck and present perfect. Dream and team is the way of number one. So number one people this year is good for you. Whatever you have to love. Then whatever you love, you will have. This is year of gaining with a grace, being very polite and nice. This is the year where Saturn principle is watching how you are studying in a life, how you are learning new things. So this is year of experiencing, self-evolving. This is year of not the fun much. Use your fortune to make others' futures. This is year where you create fun for elders, respect them. This is year of a faith. Faith moves the mountain. Saturn loves Lord Shiva, and Lord Shiva is nothing but a nature. You have to pray with the sky, with a horizon of beautiful mountain. Intensity and integrity, firing ascending work. You have to do work with a intensity, integrity. What you want to deliver, you have to work minimum 8 hours in a day and present. So it is for all, but for one number, leadership has to be with giving result. Number 2, those who have number 2, this is the rewarding year, because if you see 2024, there are 2. This is year of humanity energy. All the women will ascend and rise. This is grace year for humanity. If Saturn is 8, if you make Saturn horizontal as a vision of a present and future, it gives you new relations, bonus, increment. It is very important to be a rewarding, givers get. It's very important to give. And also working for the elders, working for the parents. Especially feminine energy, humanity energy is going to rise. There are little problems for the greedy men. If you have something wrong done, this is the year of a punishment. Law and enforcement is very, very hard this year. Especially number 3, there is no shortcut. Number 3 means those who are born in 3, 12, 30. No risky investment this year to do investment with a greed, and just be a very good partner with your partner, whoever it is, in the work, in the home, and very kind to your children, especially female child. Respect humanity and don't only think I am the great. Everybody in this world is the greatest. Whoever has ego, they will get a very tight lap from Saturn. Saturn trines and life shine. If you do 3 things. First is the soul awakening. Second is the body fantastically healthy. And the third is your mind has to be in giving, divine donation, design, everything. Number 4. So number 4 have a good year, because if you see 2 plus 2 is a 4. It's Rahu here, desire. Many of your desire will come true. Especially in this 2028. 2, 4 and 8 number people will get something, their desire which will get fulfilled. Number 5, who has number 5, born on 5, 14, 23. This is the new creative year for you. There is the discipline, work, planning, focus is very important. Aim, aspire and achieve. In this year, a lot of great things are happening. April onwards, especially month onwards, there are some man-made calamities like recession. Those who are not working good, they will go out of the job. One has to learn. This is the Saturn year. Principal is watching you from the distance. He has kept all the artificial intelligence. Saturn's intelligence is a cosmic intelligence. He is watching you. Number 6 is a new relationship. 6 is the Venus number, and 15, 30. These are the number 6. New relationship, bonus, increment, and the time to focus on a family. And whatever you desire, this year will give you new things which you are wishing for many years. Number 7. Those have a 7, 16 birth date. These are all the positive things out of this birth date. This is the new proposal things, new home, new property. But this year you have to be aware of spending and invest not a greed-based shares and all, but on the secured saving for your family and your future. Number 8, 17, 26 is the number 8 born. They have a double work and double reward. If you do work double, then you will see the magic. Whatever you want, you will get in this life. because it's the year of 8 and also it's the year with the 24. So you have to focus on your health also. Help to all the elders and especially women, mothers, grandmothers, sisters, grandsister, daughters. You focus on them and you will gain everything. Number 9. This is year to be active. Speak sweet, keep head cool, and you will get whatever you want. This year you can get a landed property or whatever your home, you can make it beautiful, but along with this you have to save well. Saving is one kind of new earning in this year. Om Namah Shivaya.